Butter chicken is a famous dish from India. Originating from the northern region, it has become a symbol of Indian cuisine. People all over the world love it. Its rich, creamy texture and aromatic spices make it a favorite among food enthusiasts. It is creamy and full of flavor. The combination of tomatoes, butter, and cream creates a luxurious sauce that coats tender pieces of chicken. This dish is perfect for a special meal or a comforting dinner. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet night in, butter chicken fits the occasion. Many Indian restaurants serve butter chicken. It's a staple on their menus, often paired with naan or rice. It is often cooked in a tandoor oven, which gives it a smoky taste. The tandoor's high heat ensures the chicken is juicy and flavorful. But you can make delicious butter chicken at home too. With the right ingredients and a bit of patience, you can recreate this restaurant favorite. This essay will teach you how to make authentic butter chicken. From selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering the cooking techniques, you'll be guided every step of the way. You will learn about the ingredients, the steps, and some tips for making it your own. Let's get cooking. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. The ingredients for butter chicken are easy to find. You will need chicken, yogurt, spices, tomatoes, onions, and cream. Each ingredient has a special role in making the dish delicious. Chicken is the star of the dish. Use boneless, skinless thighs for the best flavor. Yogurt makes the chicken tender. Spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander add warmth and aroma. Tomatoes form the base of the sauce. Onions add sweetness. Cream makes the sauce rich and creamy. Together, these ingredients create the perfect balance of flavors. Marinating the chicken is important for flavor and texture. First, mix yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and spices in a bowl. Then, add the chicken pieces. Make sure the chicken is coated well. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate for at least 2 hours. You can even marinate it overnight for more flavor. The yogurt tenderizes the chicken, making it juicy and flavorful. The spices infuse the chicken with their aromas. This step is crucial for achieving the authentic taste of butter chicken. Section 4. Cooking the chicken to tender perfection. Now it's time to cook the chicken. Heat some oil in a pan, add the marinated chicken pieces to the hot oil. Cook the chicken on medium heat until it turns golden brown. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside. We will use the same pan to make the sauce. This way, the flavors of the chicken will blend with the sauce. Section 5. Crafting the signature butter sauce. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a rich, flavorful sauce that will elevate any dish. In the same pan, add a generous amount of butter. Watch as it melts and begins to sizzle, creating the perfect base for our sauce. Then, add finely chopped onions. Cook them patiently until they turn a beautiful golden brown, releasing their natural sweetness. Add a spoonful of ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. This will infuse the sauce with a deep, aromatic flavor. Now, add the chopped tomatoes. These will add a tangy sweetness to the sauce. Cook the tomatoes until they soften and start to break down, forming a thick, luscious base. Add the ground spices, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili powder. These spices will add depth and complexity to the sauce. Cook for a few minutes until the spices release their aroma, filling your kitchen with a tantalizing scent. Add water or chicken stock to the pan. This will help to deglaze the pan and create a smooth, cohesive sauce. Let it simmer gently. This allows the flavors to blend and develop, creating a rich, harmonious sauce. Finally, add the cream and a bit more butter. This will give the sauce a luxurious, velvety texture. Stir well and let the sauce simmer for a few more minutes. This final step ensures that all the flavors meld together perfectly, creating a sauce that is truly unforgettable. Section 6. Serving and savoring your butter chicken. This is the moment you've been waiting for, where all your hard work in the kitchen pays off. Your delicious butter chicken is ready. The rich aroma fills the air, making it hard to resist. Add the cooked chicken to the creamy tomato sauce. Make sure each piece is well coated with the luscious sauce. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. This not only adds a burst of color but also a fresh herby flavor. Serve hot with naan bread or rice. These sides are perfect for soaking up the creamy sauce. You can adjust the spice level to your liking. Whether you prefer it mild or with a kick, the choice is yours. Add more chili powder for extra heat. This will give your butter chicken a fiery twist. For a milder flavor, use less chili powder. This way, you can enjoy the creamy richness without too much heat. You can also add a touch of honey or sugar for sweetness. This balances the spices and adds a delightful contrast. Butter chicken is a versatile dish that can be customized to your taste. Experiment with different accompaniments and find your perfect combination. Enjoy the wonderful flavors of this Indian classic in your own kitchen. Share it with family and friends and savor every bite of this delightful dish.